Welcome back to Operating Systems Crashcast. I'm Victor, and with me as always is Sheila. Today we're diving into an exciting topic: system programs. Sheila, why don't you kick us off with a brief explanation of what system programs are?
Certainly, Victor. System programs are essential software components that provide a convenient environment for program development and execution. They're often referred to as system utilities or system software. Unlike application programs that perform specific tasks for users, system programs are designed to support the operation of the computer system itself.
That's a great introduction, Sheila. Now let's break down the types of system programs. One important category is file manipulation. Can you elaborate on that?
Absolutely. File manipulation programs are system utilities that allow users to create, delete, copy, rename, print, dump, list, and generally manipulate files and directories. Think of commands like copy for copying files or list for showing directory contents. These programs are crucial for managing data on our computers.
Excellent point. Another critical type of system program deals with status information. These programs provide users and system administrators with details about the system. For example, on a Windows system, you might use the Task Manager to view running processes and system performance.
That's right, Victor. And let's not forget about file modification programs. These utilities allow users to change the content of files stored on disk or other storage devices. Text editors like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac are great examples of this category.
Moving on to programming language support, we have system programs that provide tools for common programming operations and language-specific features. This includes compilers, assemblers, debuggers, and interpreters. These are essential for turning human-readable code into instructions the computer can understand and execute.
Absolutely crucial for developers. Now, let's talk about program loading and execution. These system programs are responsible for loading programs into memory and running them. The most fundamental of these is the loader, which takes a program and gets it ready to run on the computer.
Great point, Sheila. Communication programs are another essential type of system program. These provide the mechanism for creating connections among processes, users, and different computer systems. Examples include web browsers, email clients, and remote login utilities.
Lastly, we shouldn't forget about background services, also known as daemons in Unix systems or services in Windows. These are programs that run quietly in the background, providing various system functions without direct user interaction. Examples include network services, print management, and system logging.
Excellent breakdown, Sheila. It's fascinating to see how these system programs work together to create the computing environment we use every day. From a user perspective, we often interact with these programs without even realizing it.
That's very true, Victor. And it's worth noting that while the specific implementations may vary between operating systems, the core concepts remain the same. Whether you're using Windows, macOS, or a Linux distribution, you'll find equivalents for most of these system programs.
Absolutely. And for our listeners who might be preparing for interviews, it's crucial to understand the distinction between system programs and application programs, as well as the role each type of system program plays in overall OS functionality.
Great point, Victor. To recap, we've covered the various types of system programs: file manipulation, status information, file modification, programming language support, program loading and execution, communications, and background services. Each of these plays a vital role in creating a functional and user-friendly operating system environment.
Thanks for that summary, Sheila. And thank you, listeners, for tuning in to another episode of Operating Systems Crashcast. Remember, understanding system programs is key to grasping how operating systems function at a fundamental level. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of operating systems.